not how life works anymore.
There's no need even to have a college degree.
I think having the flexibility to explore a lot of different things, which you can do when you're in college, which is...
Let's be honest, figuring life out isn't easy. Whether you're in college, just out of school, or stuck in the what now phase, one thing is clear. Making your own money changes everything. It's not just about income, it's about freedom, confidence, and control. In this video, we're diving into 5 underrated skills that can help you start earning $1,000 a month or more, even if you're starting from scratch. These aren't side hustles you'll quit next week. They're real skills that open real doors. Ever loved a cartoon, an audiobook, a killer ad? That voice you heard, someone got paid to do that. Voiceover work is a $4.2 billion industry and growing fast. You don't need a studio or a deep radio voice. You just need good delivery and practice. Record yourself reading a movie monologue or ad script. Post it on Instagram, YouTube Shorts, or platforms like Voices.com or Upwork. Beginners can earn $600 one day a month doing small gigs. Step it up and you could be voicing national ads or animations. Got artistic skills? Time to stop giving away your talent for free. Custom portraits, canvas art, anime sketches. People love unique handmade pieces, especially for gifts or home decor. Post celebrity or influencer sketches on Instagram, Etsy, or TikTok. Tag the person in your post for visibility. Set up on Etsy, take commissions, or go local. One solid piece can bring in hundreds. Time to make your money work for you. Apps like Robinhood, Webull, and Public let you trade stocks and ETFs with 0 commissions. You don't need a finance degree, just strategy and discipline. Learn the basics on YouTube or with free courses. Start small. Invest $50 to $100 to test the waters. Use stop-loss features to limit risk and follow pro investors for trade ideas. With practice, $500, $1,000 a month is totally doable, even part-time. Bet you didn't know Pinterest pays creators. Every time someone saves your pin, you can get paid through the Creator Rewards program. If you take aesthetic pics, outfits, travel, decor, upload them as idea pins. Use trending audio, high-quality visuals, and optimize for keywords. No massive following needed. Just style and consistency equals passive income. If you're good at math, coding, languages, or even guitar or yoga, you can teach and earn. Platforms like OutSchool, Preply, Wyzant, or Udemy pay educators to teach what they know. Record a short lesson on YouTube or TikTok to showcase your vibe. Apply to teaching platforms and set your rate. You just need clear communication and passion. So there you go. Voiceover, art, trading, Pinterest, and teaching. Pick one, commit for 6 months, and you'll be surprised how much you can make. Smash that subscribe button.